Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series Generation F10. If you guys need to remove or replace trunk liner, you need to remove that trunk liner for multiple repairs guys. For instance, for lights, for trunk lock actuator, for the trunk handle, release handle, that's a weak spot on those. Stay with us, we'll explain guys how to do that step by step. There is a few hidden things, and if you don't know about it, you can actually damage yours and then it will look really bad, so make sure you stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly take them apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. First we need to open the trunk. Once we open the trunk, we get a Phillips screwdriver and we're going to remove a couple of screws holding here. This thing, do not remove them because the liner goes around them. So let's go ahead and see how much we need to pull on this. Okay, that's a clip. Check this thing out. It's a screw type of clip, and once you unscrew the middle piece, the rest comes out guys. So those are special ones. Perfect. Two. We have two on the other side that we need to remove as well. Let's go ahead, remove those. Right there, before it jumps. And we're getting this one now. Number 3. Let's see if we have more on this side. 4. So symmetrically you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These things, do not mess them, do not mess with them, because they are just how much to close and open your trunk, so it can be adjusted. Right here now, okay, check this thing out. We have one more there in the corner. We will have one towards the back, right there. Let's do that one too. This one is a little bit stuck guys. So let's see if it's going to come out. Nope. We probably need to unscrew it a little bit more. Let's see. We might need to get pliers or different tools here. It looks like it's stripped, so it doesn't want to unscrew quite more. So if we come underneath right there, okay, it came out just like that. Now we come one more on this side. Let's go ahead and do that one too. We're stripping them that way. I mean, we need to push in a little bit because that's not unscrewed all the way probably. Okay, it popped out. We have one on top now. Okay, before we do that one, let me show you one thing. Here, you're going to open your tool compartment, and you're going to grab that thing, twist it sideways so you can pull it out. Okay, now working on that last one. So let's see if it's going to come out now. Perfect. That trunk liner. Okay, let me see if we have anything else holding anywhere. We might have a few clips guys holding in place too. Let me see. No, nothing. These clips from what we see. No, that's just the handle there. So that will not be it. This handle, if you want to disconnect it, okay, we'll show you how to do it. You just push that thing and you get the thing out. Okay, let me show you a little bit. Here we have a couple clips. You can see like these ones. We have one right here as well. I'm trying to see where that one is. Okay, right there is one clip. Okay, that's the handle, that's not a clip. But that handle, guys, on the inside you have two more hidden screws that we couldn't see. So being upside down, that helps. Okay, one is out. We have one more after that on the other side. That's why it's always a good idea to watch until the end so we know what's happening, guys. Okay, let's see if that one is going to come out. Perfect. Now, let's see what we have here. Here, that one now. Okay, the handle. One second. That handle, if you want to disconnect it, you push that thing to the back and you pull it out. Okay, that thing goes to the back. Let's see what else we have here holding in place, guys. Okay, it looks like that's where, okay, that thing is going for the tooth. So that thing for the tooth, okay, let me just see if it comes up somehow in a certain way. No, it doesn't, but it looks like it has hidden screws right here, two of them with a Phillips screwdriver. Check this thing out, how hidden that is, right? Hidden screws, they look like carpet, you cannot even see them. I just dropped one, let me grab it quick while we're removing the second one. They're just regular metal screws. German engineering at its best. And the whole trunk liner came out just like that. So that's how you guys remove the trunk liner, also known as interior trunk cover on BMW 5 Series Generation F10. Hopefully the video was helpful so that way you don't damage yours, you know what to expect. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.